So I got my package. I'm going to cut across here. This is the Cavern collection from Wet n Wild. Oh, it came off. It's coming off pretty easily. That's a little disconcerting. Look at the size of this box. I knew it was going to be bigger. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's see what we got here. Okay, bubble wrap. Invoice. Okay. Remember what I said? You got to order something. These are just $1 each. I probably already have these, but I'd rather spend $2 extra and make sure that this is put in here, you know, safely than... Look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay. Oh my lord. Oh, okay, I thought I wasn't going to be able to get it out. Oh shoot, this is... Oh my goodness, this is wider than the Rebel Rose. Alrighty. There it is. Look at that. I love how they make their stuff, you know, holographic. Alright, let's open this. Let me see if I can get it open. Oh, wow. Nice. Okay, so we got, okay, those are pretty. So these are like the rose gold. This is the jade. Looks like olive greens there. Your purples, it's amethyst. So that don't look purple though, so I don't know what the heck that is. And then you have your clear quartz, which are like a more natural colors, more neutral. Then you have your pressed highlighter. And then you have your little rock highlighters. I remember a long time ago I treated myself to Guerlain, or however you pronounce it. That stuff is like $40 and now it's like $80. But oh wow, those look nice and shimmery too. So brightening rocks. And you have your face mist. This is interesting. So you have your lip gloss and your perfume. I guess they coordinate. They're the same ones. I guess this is clear quartz, amethyst with the perfume, jade with the perfume, and what's this one? The rose quartz. Wow, I'm glad I was like, oh, I don't want an orange one. This isn't orange, this is rose. Nice. And then it comes with the matching perfumes. And this was, I think, $50. And there you have, wow, this is a really, really beautiful box. And see, it's shaped, see how it's shaped like a gemstone? Wow, this is beautiful. All right, guys, see you next week.